Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the San Martin new 39mm Desert Texture Luxury GMT watch, model SN0129. This is a stunning piece combining classic style with rugged durability, so let's take a closer look. First off, this watch is powered by the NH34 automatic mechanical movement, offering precise timekeeping and a smooth sweep on the second hand. The 39mm case size makes it perfect for both business and casual wear, fitting comfortably on most wrists. The unique desert texture dial adds a bold, yet refined, touch, perfect for anyone who wants a bit of flair without being over the top. Now, let's talk about durability. With 100 meters of water resistance, this watch isn't just for looks, it's built for action, whether you're out in the rain or diving into a pool. And of course, the sapphire crystal glass adds extra protection and scratch resistance. And for those nighttime adventures, the luminous markers and hands ensure you're never left in the dark. This feature, combined with the sleek bracelet and a sturdy clasp, really completes the luxury feel. So, if you're looking for a dress watch that's elegant yet rugged, the San Martin 39mm GMT is a fantastic choice. Drop a comment below if you'd rock this on your wrist, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.